Hi guys, we are moving on and setting up the Slack as OAuth provider. In Slack, we will create a new application from scratch. Let's set up the name, select the workspace. Here under app credentials, we will use the client ID and client secret to set up our integration in Supabase. Now we're gonna go to OAuth and permissions and copy the callback URL, add it under redirect URLs, save the results. Now we need to add a user token scopes and we need only 3: profile, email, and OpenID. Right, this is set. Now we're gonna save the integration and test it. Let's try to log in using Slack. Here is our temporary application. I'm gonna allow access, and here is it. Now we have a user with the same email, but with 4 providers, and Slack OAuth, one of them. Thank you very much.